students, good morning. So, this is the time to show what Filipinos are truly made of. Our resilience, our hard work, our unity. This project will bring cleaner streets, a community garden, and a livelihood through efforts. Together we can do this.
Yes, nothing is impossible. When together comes with puso at isipan.
Let's structure into teams and timelines. Hard work becomes a good planning.
It sounds like a big task, but I'm in for the community.
Let's do it right. If we're starting this, we need to make sure it lasts.
That's true, and we should talk about something real. Many of us start strong, but we don't always finish. That's Ningas Kogon. We have to be aware of it. Yes, Rasuna, that's one of our biggest problem, but this time, we will face it head on.
Never planted seeds before. This is fun.
Wait until we start making compost. We'll have organic fertilizer soon.
I already invited vloggers to picture us online. Let's just keep going even after the camera sleep.
This is the cycle of Ningas Kogon. We get excited, then it dies out, it's hard or boring.
So what now? Do we just let this fall apart?
No, we adapt, we learn, we finish. We find ways, not just in the beginning.
In accountability, let's assign clear rules and weekly check.
Let's be honest with each other. If someone is lacking off, call them in, not to shame, but to support.
We can track progress visually on the board here at the hall. Seeing the result help us keep motivated.
How about we give recognition every month? Celebrate hard work, even in small things.
What if we invite the youth? A lot of kids want to help. They just don't know how.
These are all great ideas. Let's make it more than a project. Let's make it a movement.
I am sorry I disappeared. I didn't expect it to really last, but now I see this is bigger than a trend.
Me too. I want to be part of this event at this time for the new.
The fire did me in. Seeing it, even you, getting back up. It's okay to struggle, it's okay to slow down. But waiting without trying again, that's what we're changing. Because we feel hard work. It's just how we start. It's just how we keep going. And how we lift each other
When someone's fire fades.
Filipinos are known around the world for our strength, resilience, and hard work. But sometimes, we fall into the trap of Ningas Kogon, starting strong but fading fast. But we know, hard work is not just about energy. It's about discipline, support, community, and heart.
let's just
That's true, and we should talk about something real. Anak? Acting naman.
It sounds like a big task, but I